Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel Tech and Cryptos. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to unsubscribe from all the notifications in Runway AI. Now let's begin. On any browser of your choice, simply type app.runwayml.com and hit on enter right now. This is the official homepage of Runway AI once you've logged in. If you have not, do log in right now. You can scroll down and look at all the features and functionalities provided. At the very top right, you can also search for tools, assets, and projects. There are lots of things you can look from right here, but right now we simply want to unsubscribe from all those notifications. So let's begin. At the top right, you will find your profile picture. Simply click on it. A pop-up like this will open up. It will give you many options, but from here, we simply need to go to My Account. Click on it. Now initially, you're gonna be in this General tab. If you scroll down, you can look at all the features like changing password, deleting account, and everything. But right now, we need to go to the Notifications tab. Once you're in the Notifications tab, simply turn off all of these buttons. And you will be unsubscribed from all those annoying notifications. Well guys, that's it for the video. That's how you unsubscribe from email notifications and subscriptions in Runway AI. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.